So today I'm headed to Houston, which is about a 3-hour drive from San Antonio, to pick up the mini excavator that I purchased directly from a company in China. It was shipped by sea and took just over a month to get here. Alright, today we're picking up a excavator. We're using a U-Haul trailer. Hopefully they can get the excavator in there. It's got some high bars on it, so we'll see. But this is the location I'm supposed to pick up at. So we'll see if we can do this with this trailer here. Alright, here it comes. So I purchased this excavator on the Alibaba website for just under $6,000, which includes the import fees. I was a little concerned about purchasing this way since I've never ordered a product directly from China. So I researched this particular excavator company and felt comfortable doing business with them. They have an English-speaking representative who guided me through the process, which was very helpful. Alright, so I just picked up the mini excavator from the Houston warehouse facility, and I'm going to be taking it back to San Antonio, and we're going to unbox it at the land. I had to rent a U-Haul trailer to get it back to San Antonio. I have a trailer, but this one has 2 wheels. 2 tires on each side, so that's just to make sure in case one of the tire blows. Back part of the excavator there. All right. Look at that.
That is beautiful. We see one more side.
See how compact that thing is?
Oh my God. There.
Okay, so when we went to pick up the excavator at the warehouse, they put it, and they didn't know which the back and the front was. It was just a crate, right? But anyway, the weight ended up on the back here of this trailer. And if I went over 55 miles an hour, it would start wobbling back and forth the whole trailer. So I had to stay at 55 from Houston to Pleasanton. And so it took a lot longer to get here. But you can see, it even says on here to put 60% of the weight on the front of the trailer, which makes sense.
Dad, it didn't take that long to get back. What is it? There you go, Dad.
That was fun. All right, so anyway, back here, in order to start it, you have to actually twist this knob here and pull it down to start and tighten it, and that'll allow you to start it. It has the manual start here, but it's got the electric start up front. We put the diesel gas in here, and this is the first time I've ever used one of these things, so it's pretty exciting. We got to put the top on still, so we're going to put the top on. There we go. Over here is where we're going to go with it. This is the small tank, and we're going to make that into a large one. We'll see what we can do with this small guy, but I'm probably going to spend a lot of hours digging with it out here if everything goes well. And then David goes through the windshield while he's recording.
Nice question.
What do you think, Ethan? Do you think he did it? Think he's doing a good job?
Probably freaking out.
Alright, so here I am. This is my first time using an excavator, and boy does it show. I'm just trying to get familiar with the controls, which are very sensitive. This kind of reminds me back when I first learned to drive a stick shift car. It took some getting used to, and you'll see in the future videos that I was able to master the machine after using it for a while. You can see I'm using a dirt cart to load the dirt, and then I haul it off to the side to dump it. It's not the most efficient way of moving dirt, so I'll have to think about a better way at some point. Well, this is the end of the video, and the beginning of my pond expansion project. I have a feeling this pond project will take a while, and although I could have hired somebody to dig out the pond, I have several reasons why I didn't want to go that route. First, the cost to dig this clay soil would go way over my budget. I'm actually planning to move the dirt some distance from the pond itself so that I keep a natural look surrounding the pond, instead of a ridge around the perimeter. Second, I know this is cliche, but this is a labor of love for me, and I get some good exercise doing it. So that does it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can follow along with my progress on this pond and other projects I've planned. Till then, take care, and I'll see you on the next video.